We gaze up at the night sky. Countless stars twinkle above us. Each star is a sun, perhaps with its own planets. Could some of those planets harbor life? This question has captivated humanity for centuries, but before we search for life elsewhere, we must understand how life began here on Earth. It's a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and theologians for ages. How did our planet, once a lifeless ball of rock, give rise to the incredible diversity of life we see today? The answer lies in a complex and fascinating journey through billions of years, from the formation of our planet to the emergence of the first single-celled organisms. The story of life's beginnings is a detective story. Scientists work to piece together clues from the distant past. They examine ancient rocks, fossils, and even the stars themselves. The evidence points to a time when Earth was a very different place. This journey of discovery takes us back to the earliest days of our planet, billions of years ago. It's a journey that unveils the secrets of life's origins and sheds light on our place in the vast universe. Join us as we explore the awe-inspiring mystery of life's beginnings on Earth. Imagine Earth as a young planet, still cooling from its formation. Volcanoes erupt, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. The surface is a chaotic mix of molten rock and impact craters. This was Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. It was a harsh and unforgiving environment, but within this chaos lay the seeds of life. Early Earth's atmosphere was very different from what we breathe today. It was a toxic mix of gases such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. There was no free oxygen, and the oceans were still forming. These conditions, though seemingly inhospitable, were crucial for life to arise. The energy from lightning strikes and the sun's ultraviolet radiation bombarded the planet. This energy, combined with the unique chemical soup of the early atmosphere and oceans, provided the raw materials and the spark needed for life to emerge. It's within this primordial soup that the building blocks of life began to assemble. Scientists believe that these early conditions, although harsh, were essential for life to arise. The lack of oxygen, for example, allowed certain chemical reactions to occur that would not be possible in today's oxygen-rich environment. The stage was set for the emergence of life. One of the most well-known theories about life's origins is the primordial soup theory. This theory proposes that life arose in a warm, shallow ocean or pond. These waters were rich in organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Over time, these molecules form more complex structures. Another theory is the hydrothermal vent hypothesis. Life may have originated near hydrothermal vents in the deep ocean. These vents release heat and chemicals, creating an energy-rich environment. Some scientists believe these vents provided ideal conditions for life. Then there's the idea of panspermia. This theory suggests life may have come from elsewhere in the universe. Comets, asteroids, or interstellar dust could have carried life-seeding molecules. Panspermia adds an extraterrestrial twist to our origins. Each theory offers a plausible explanation for life's origins. Scientists continue to explore these possibilities, searching for clues in early Earth's chemistry. Imagine a world without DNA, the complex molecule that carries our genetic information. Before DNA, there were simpler molecules that played a crucial role in the origin of life. These molecules, known as amino acids, are the building blocks of proteins which are essential for all life forms. Scientists have found evidence that amino acids could have formed spontaneously in the early Earth's atmosphere. Experiments like the famous Miller-Urey experiment have shown that simulating early Earth conditions can produce these essential molecules. This suggests that the building blocks of life could have arisen from non-living matter. But how did these simple molecules assemble into more complex structures like proteins and nucleic acids, the precursors to DNA and RNA? This process, known as abiogenesis, is one of the most significant mysteries in the study of life's origins. Scientists are exploring various possibilities, including the role of minerals and clays in catalyzing these reactions. These minerals could have acted as templates, bringing molecules together in specific orientations that facilitated their assembly into larger structures. Section 5. The spark of life. A leap of complexity. The transition from non-living matter to a living organism is perhaps the most remarkable event in Earth's history. This transition, known as abiogenesis, is a profound mystery that continues to fascinate scientists. It's the point where chemistry gave rise to biology, where inanimate matter became animated. One key aspect of this transition is the emergence of self-replicating molecules. These molecules, likely RNA or a precursor to RNA, had the ability to make copies of themselves. This ability to self-replicate is a fundamental characteristic of life. Another crucial step was the formation of membranes. Membranes are like the walls of a cell, separating the interior from the external environment. This compartmentalization allowed for the concentration of molecules and the creation of a stable internal environment where life could flourish. The exact details of how these steps occurred remain elusive. However, scientists are making progress by studying simple self-replicating systems in the lab and by searching for clues in the chemistry of early life forms. Section 6 whispers from the past, the fossil record. Fossils are like time capsules providing glimpses into Earth's distant past. They tell the story of life's evolution from the simplest single-celled organisms to the complex plants and animals we see today. By studying fossils, we can trace the history of life on Earth and gain insights into the early forms of life. The oldest known fossils are about 3.5 billion years old. These fossils are of microscopic organisms called stromatolites. Stromatolites are formed by layers of bacteria that trap sediment. They provide evidence that life existed on Earth very early in its history. As we move forward in time through the fossil record, we see evidence of more complex life forms. We see the first eukaryotes, cells with a nucleus, and eventually the first multicellular organisms. The fossil record paints a picture of life's incredible journey over billions of years. However, the fossil record is incomplete. Many early life forms were soft-bodied and did not fossilize well. This leaves gaps in our understanding of the earliest stages of life's evolution. Scientists continue to search for more fossils, hoping to fill in these gaps and piece together the full story of life on Earth. Section 7, the RNA world and other mysteries. While we've made progress in understanding life's origins, many mysteries remain. One enduring puzzle is the role of RNA, a molecule similar to DNA. Some scientists believe that RNA, not DNA, was the primary carrier of genetic information in early life. This RNA world hypothesis suggests that RNA, with its ability to both store genetic information and catalyze reactions, played a crucial role in the emergence of life. However, the transition from an RNA world to a DNA-based world is still not fully understood. Another mystery is the origin of chirality. Many molecules, including amino acids, come in two forms that are mirror images of each other, like our left and right hands. This property is called chirality. Interestingly, life on Earth uses only left-handed amino acids and right-handed sugars. The reason for this preference is unknown. These are just a few of the many questions that continue to intrigue scientists studying the origins of life. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding this profound mystery, but the quest is far from over. Section 8. Searching for answers beyond our blue planet. Our exploration of life's origins extends beyond Earth. Scientists are now searching for signs of life on other planets and moons within our solar system and beyond. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, even in its simplest forms, would have profound implications for our understanding of life in the universe. Missions to Mars are searching for evidence of past or present life. The exploration of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus, both of which have subsurface oceans, offers tantalizing possibilities for finding life beyond Earth. Beyond our solar system, astronomers are discovering thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. Some of these exoplanets are located in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be suitable for life as we know it. The search for extraterrestrial life is not only about finding aliens, it's about understanding the fundamental nature of life itself. By studying the possibilities for life elsewhere, we gain a deeper appreciation for the uniqueness and fragility of life on our own planet. Section 9. The ongoing quest, a universe of possibilities. The quest to understand how life began spans billions of years and extends beyond our planet. Driven by curiosity, we seek to unravel one of the universe's most profound mysteries. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The study of life's origins showcases the power of science. Observation, experimentation, and critical thinking piece together the story of life on Earth. This story continues to unfold, revealing new chapters each year. Exploring the universe, we may find life is more common than imagined. Or life on Earth may be a rare phenomenon. The search for life's origins helps us understand where we came from and where we might be going. The universe is vast and full of wonders. The origin of life is one of its many mysteries. Solving this mystery holds the key to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things.